Hello kids, today in this video we will learn how to write English alphabet and how they pronounce. A. This is A. A is written like this. B. This is B. B is written like this. C. This is C. C is written like this. D. This is D. D is written like this. E. This is E. E is written like this. F. This is F. F is written like this. G. This is G. G is written like this. H. This is H. H is written like this. I. This is I. I is written like this. J. This is J. J is written like this. K. This is K. K is written like this. L. This is L. L is written like this. M. This is M. M is written like this. N. This is N. N is written like this. O. This is O. O is written like this. P. This is P. P is written like this.